This hang up is, so I'm live, and it's called Creative Wellness.
I just got your Hangouts.
Yeah.
I'll just
see what happens.
Hangouts. Can't open the page. I'll open it with App Store. Let's see. You know, it's a really good idea to have this closed group on Facebook.
Yeah.
I didn't have Hangouts downloaded, so I'm downloading it now.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, just because the reason I'm doing this, I'm being invited to do a pilot research with AXA, the insurance company in Paris.
Wow. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I'm going to do a 8-session live streaming with them class and give them some tools and stuff, and we're going to do a questionnaire to see if it can really enhance their working efficiency at work.
So it's for their employees?
It will be at the beginning, yeah. We're going to take 40 people, 20 active, 20 inactive, and 40 will fill out a form questionnaire.
Yeah.
And 20 will do 20 minutes twice a week with me.
Mm-hmm.
And they will also are going to print some cards, like 10 cards, and then every now and again in the day they can just shuffle through the cards and pick one up, and it would say something like if your heart were lighter, what would you do? If sitting was simple, how would you sit? You know, this kind of, so they're tangible, touchable things, and this for a month.
Where did you get that from? What's on the cards?
Yeah, we make them. We design it ourselves.
Okay, you made it up, so this hasn't been done before. And who's helping you set up the research? Because the respondents, they need to be kind of similar.
Yeah, they will. I mean, we just spoke to the director of the business development.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Hello.
Yeah. And somebody else just Claire. She just Skyped me, just saying the video call ended because of an error. Doesn't matter. Yeah. So I'm just trying to test. I've been trying to test actually all morning this live streaming, because you can do it with YouTube, and if people log in. So I was just seeing if you could log in and if you could see me.
Because the link you sent, what appeared on my screen was that it was for Hangouts, which is an app which I've just downloaded. And I'm just entering my email address here. I'm going to next.
Password.
Yeah, I have for Hangouts. I don't have a password for Hangouts.
So it's called Google Hangouts. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, my password wasn't correct.
Yeah.
Who advised you to use this way?
Well, no. I mean, I tried I tried a free trial with a internet company, but it was just too complicated, so I just gave up. It was, I mean, I spent about an hour, and now I'm suddenly here so easily on Google Hangouts, and hopefully, it's called Creative Wellness.
Okay. Can I call you back because I need to see the SMS which just came in?
Yeah, you can actually. Can you not click away and then you can see it?
I'll try. I don't want to lose you. Okay, I'll just try. Moet je thuisknop?
You are presenting to everyone, or what happens if I go? So there's a delay. Okay. Let me just stop this. Via YouTube, yeah. So you can see me, hear me. So there's a delay. So this might not be good. So if I did this. Interesting. No, so you can't speak to me. Huh. I wonder if I can have you on Skype at the same time. Can I call you? "15-second delay." So this. Hello.
Hi, Andrew.
So, can you? Hello.
Hello, Andrew.
So, okay, so you can. I can't see you though.
Hello, Andrew.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can.
It's very strange. Yes, I see you. No, wait. But there's about a 15-second delay.
Yeah, and the sound is not good, huh?
It's very strange. Yes, I see you. No, wait. But there's about a 15-second delay.
The sound is not good, huh?
We're having stereo conversation.
Oh dear.
We're having stereo.
Yeah, and echoed.
At the moment, the sounds a bit like you're in outer space.
And it's delayed. Okay, that's not an option then.
Now we've got a kind of loop going on.
Yeah. So okay.
Hang on, just close the.
I close it. Should we close the Skype and I just?
Oh, I did the opposite. I closed the YouTube for a second because that was too weird. The thing is if it's only one way as opposed to two-way, because the Hangout is like a FaceTime call. Yes, it's two-way as far as I can work out from Hangout.
Okay.
Like I had to make an account in Hangout in order to be able to speak to you. So I was just doing that. But what I realized is if I make an account in Hangout, it's just like we've got now. I see you and you see me, and we have the possibility to speak to each other. Whereas we just want the one way, I think. I mean, we could have two-way, but
yeah.
Do you see what I mean? Because if it was two-way, we could almost do it through FaceTime or something, provided we got a little tripod for our camera.
Right.
Like the friends who teach class through Skype and stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, that won't work as a business model going forward.
Exactly.
If we become the Les Mills of dance, we'll have to have a, as you said, a professional live streaming setup. The one you just did there via YouTube, which was quite pretty clever. Well done. I'm just struggling with a Word document, and it was. You had to be very careful of background noise. So your voice was all right, but like everything you touched, or it was like echoing. You know how like when you're in a very noisy cafe or something like that.
Yeah, right.
So whether you'd have to have a mic, to do it, so that the sound was very specific rather than, I think you were on your computer sound, weren't you?
Yeah.
You were on general ambient sound, let's say. So I got anything else you were doing came in equally as loud, so just putting the phone down or doing but the thing is it wouldn't matter if there was a delay.
No, because they
not if it was just one way. If we're just giving a class, who cares that they're receiving it 15 seconds behind what we're doing?
But I do think that we have to do it in a more professional way at the beginning to give it that weight.
Yes, yeah, agreed. I thought that you were saying you got a free trial. Was that the software?
Yeah, but I mean, I have to get someone to come and help me out because
right,
it was mad, you know.
So I think the Google Hangout is the same as a kind of FaceTime,
That's
which
right.
I have through with iPhones or the iPad. And,
yeah.
I think I would have been able to see myself and see you, and we should have been able to speak to each other. I don't know how you did it through YouTube, but I mean, it works.
Yeah.
What I did wonder was whether to shoot Begonia kind of text, because she does text me occasionally, just to see if they can't help us if they've got live streaming facility. They must have. They'll have all these webinars, and
exactly.
Because their people are, in South America and all over. So when they do a training, they'll do webinar training. And
yeah, absolutely.
She was just thinking, I think we got to the film because she was thinking that to upscale that and send it out to clients, if it was me, I'd have to be a fixed item that she could kind of put out there. And she was not thinking of a live streaming for the clients because she was thinking of all the time constraints of that it was not possible for clients in various different time zones to point. There would be too many constraints, and then they'd say, well, I couldn't, that's not fair, I can't lower my premiums because I couldn't get there at 2 o'clock, or so I guess she's thinking of it being a fixed item that just is then on their interface and you just go to it when you want.
I mean, then stick to that, then definitely a good point what you're making. I mean, I just like the idea from the spas. It's a very good one, but maybe you're right. Maybe
so do I.
But I think they're two different things then. I think you're right. I think we can just go for the film. I have pop-up cards here.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
My pop-up cards are over there.
So how would it feel to sit if you were smelling of fragrance? How would it, it's exactly that. It's that kind of.
Yes, it's exactly that and there's a random element to it. That's what I like. That really facilitates wellness, the random aspect of it. Or even like that, even the fact that you could pick something and go, well, that's stupid, and then pick another one. So you've got a sense that you feel that you're a bit more in control of your experience. I think that we do the following, and we can do that pretty quickly. I was going to get an alternative film quote. I'll write today to a company that I know in France just to see if they're dance filmmakers. So let's see if France comes back with any better quote than your friend gave you quickly for 10 minutes. Basically 10,000. That doesn't make it 20,000 for 20 minutes.
No, exactly.
It goes up. It doesn't go up in increments like that. Because even if we wanted to do 1 minute, it would probably cost 5,000. I mean, you've still got a technician and 2 cameras, and so I'm going to try to get a quote then for quite a simple location and exactly the same as the Dutch quote. In other words, I think it was 2 cameras. I'll copy exactly what you said and exactly. I can get back. I don't know if you want to get back to the person who gave you that quick quote.
Yeah.
And say, look, this is actually a bit more serious now. I mean, we're being asked to make a proposal for it, and do you want to quote it a bit more accurately?
Yeah.
Because obviously you said 10 minutes and he said 10,000.
Right. So I just got a message through. It's because somebody's going to try to link up now with me on Hangout with this trial.
Okay.
Just in case I
think so. I'll leave you. Yeah. So what I think is the film quote
Yep.
And write the possibility of saying, of course, if it could be live screened, I mean, it can be live streamed for their employees because they're going to have lunch break at 12:30.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we could say, look, the pilot could be done live streamed probably quite easily via YouTube or via a FaceTime or via a Hangout or something, if we want to limit costs there.
Oh, sorry, I got the phone.
They're calling you.
Yeah.
All right. I'll go off a minute. You can come back if you want.
Yeah.
Me.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Hello. Hello.
Well, I've just installed Hangouts and I've just called you with Hangouts and tried to open a video message, but that's to you personally, and I haven't followed up the site yet.
So that means wait a minute. So you
didn't answer me on Hangouts.
I didn't answer you on Hangout. Oh, I see.
So you didn't get notification?
But yeah, I mean, I've got.
Do you have just a minute? Well, I'm going to stay on the line, but I need to walk to the other room because I was just called. There's 4 people in the house.
Okay.
Get up.
No, I didn't get a call from you actually on my.
Dankjewel, Johan. Hey, see you at? En een fijne zondag weekend? Ja. Oké, dankjewel. Hey. Doei. Alright. Yeah? No, it's okay. It's okay. Talk to you later about that. Hello.
Hi, all good, all good. So no problem. So, because I am actually, if you went to YouTube and clicked Creative Wellness, you will see live me.
All right, let me see. I'm going to go to YouTube.
Just to see, I think the quality's, there's a delay probably because I just tried on my phone. Did all.
YouTuber. Because you know FaceTime.
Yeah. I mean, again, it's just testing it out. But of course, for AXA, they're looking to that we offer them a product. So of course, we wouldn't go this way. But I'm just.
So on YouTube, I search Creative Wellness.
Yeah, if you just write Creative Wellness.
Oh yeah. Hello.
Hello.
You're frozen.
Oh no.
I have you too. I have 2 things of you. 30 minutes ago, you looked different then, and now live, but so you're not moving.
I'm moving. But it doesn't say I have it. Yeah, you have to click. I think you have to click on it.
Right. Yes, I've got you. But you can't see me, right?
No, I can't see you.
We're not interactive.
Well, it would be.
I think you have to click on it. I'll click on you again then. Any particular part?
Actually, I see there's a viewer. I have a viewer, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the jellyfish, and we'll see how long it takes till it gets to you. So I do jellyfish right now.
You can hear how long it takes.
Yeah. So there's a delay. Yeah, it's a delay. I mean, that doesn't matter. How's the quality?
The video is good, and the audio is good, but
Okay.
it's just a delay.
Yeah.
I mean, that doesn't matter. How's the quality? How's the quality you are?
Yeah. So okay, I will switch it off. I'm gonna stop. stop the broadcast and then talk to you normally.
No, I prefer this. No.
I'll switch it off.